Hi, my name's Ed Shanshala. I'm the CEO of Ammonoosuc Community Health Services. At ACHS, we provide primary preventive health care. We do so that each of us can stay healthy. Why each of us stay healthy is a very personal and unique story. The following is a personal and unique story of one of our friends, families, or neighbors and why they stay healthy.
I was 45 years old. My neighbor down the road had gone to Dartmouth for a mammogram, and they had found a star-shaped lump. She asked me if I would babysit her children while she went and had this biopsy, and I said of course. And when she came home, she made myself and every woman in our book club promise to go get mammograms. And it wasn't incredibly uncomfortable. It wasn't something I'd like to repeat on a daily basis, but pain is temporary. I come in and he says, "You have cancer." And I was like, "What?" And he said, "It's pretty diffuse, it's scattered, but it's a fairly aggressive type, so we think you ought to have a biopsy." And he said, "Let's determine what stage it is and where you go from here." Well, unfortunately, I had two different kinds. So ever optimistic, my friend Peter said, "Well, we'll do a lumpectomy." And I said, "All right." And so they did lumpectomy number 1, more cancer. They did lumpectomy number 2, more cancer. By lumpectomy number 3, I had run out of product. And he said to me, "You're going to have a mastectomy." And it seemed like the end of the world to me. That's not all. That's not all. My father got leukemia and emphysema and died during the second one. I was his caregiver. Things just keep piling. But if you have a good attitude and you do enough exercise, you basically pump enough endorphins that you can handle anything. Plus, I had the joy of working at an elementary school with children who, while they were germ factories, were also emotional uplifts. And I'll never forget the day I came back to school after the really bad time of the C. diff, etc. A little girl organized her entire class to wear leopard print to welcome me back. I've been always known as someone who's very fond of leopard print, but when I saw 25 little kids in leopard print running at me, I just lost it. I cried and cried and cried. And that to me is how I got through it, was a sense of humor, because you have to. I celebrated, oh my God, I celebrated my 5th year. All my girlfriends came over, we drank champagne, we ate chocolate. When you have cancer, you start with, why me? When you wind up and you know you're cured, it's why anyone.